In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a role on LinkedIn. Understanding how to efficiently use LinkedIn can dramatically enhance your job search or networking efforts. So let's dive into how you can effectively search for new roles and make sure you're seeing all the opportunities that align with your career goals. First things first, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account to take full advantage of LinkedIn's professional networking capabilities. Once you're logged in, you're greeted by your homepage, which showcases updates from your network, job recommendations, and more. But today, we focus on finding a specific role. Now, move your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. It's a powerful tool to navigate LinkedIn. Here, type in the role you're interested in. Be specific to get the best results. For instance, if you're looking for a role in digital marketing, simply type in digital marketing or perhaps digital marketing manager, depending on your focus. Once you've typed in your desired role, press enter to initiate the search. After hitting enter, you'll be presented with initial search results. These include various sections like jobs, people, content, companies, and groups. What you'll want to do is simply scroll down a little and click on See All Results, generally located below the Preview Search Results. This action will lead you to a more detailed results page, offering a broader view of opportunities linked to your search criteria. On this results page, you now have various tabs representing different categories. To focus primarily on networking and finding potential contacts in the industry, click on the People tab. Clicking here filters the results to show profiles of LinkedIn members who fit the role description you're after. It's a great way to discover individuals currently holding positions you aspire to, or those involved in similar fields. As you explore the People tab, consider giving special attention to connections who work at companies you're interested in, or those who share a common professional background. This can be invaluable in building a network that can offer insights, advice, or even support your job search efforts. Through this personalized network, you become more strategically positioned to hear about new roles or industry movements sooner. Each of these steps helps harness LinkedIn's vast database to cater specifically to your career objectives. With consistent use, you'll gradually build awareness and potentially uncover opportunities you might have missed otherwise. Remember, the key to LinkedIn is not only cruising through these steps, but also engaging actively with your network. So consider reaching out with thoughtful connection requests or engaging with industry-specific content to broaden your scope further. With these insights, you're well on your way to maximizing LinkedIn for your job search needs, and I hope you find your perfect role soon.